Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Smith Towhid in front of you. Hope that all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I am doing great. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about your most important thing. What is the thing? A lots of brothers ask me, brother, how I can start my English journey from zero. So this video is actually for you, those who are really interested in learning English. How you can start your English journey from zero. So today in this video, I'm gonna discuss two things especially, and I try to discuss another thing actually. So let's get started to this video. So first of all, what type of things you need? You need a clear mindset. When you set a clear mindset, you can move forward. You can go forward, and a clear mindset lead you better way. That's why you need a clear mindset. After setting your goal, after setting your destiny, you have to separate yourself from the crowd. Why you need to separate yourself from the crowd? So let's learn about this. Dear brothers, when I started my English journey, sometimes I face so many things, so many obstacles. The actual point was I suffered lots of time. What is the thing? The thing is I distracted by social media, by friend circle, by other things actually. So that's why you need to separate yourself from the crowd. Sometimes you will be distracted by your friend circle, by your social media, by your by your family, by your society. That's why you need to separate yourself from the crowd. And that all means is you have to make an environment. When you make environment, you can learn English easily. You can achieve anything easily. So this is the only one process you can follow, and then you can grow up your future. So here is the point. I hope you got my point. And third is very important. What is the thing actually? You have to take your own responsibility. No one take your responsibility. You have to take your responsibility. Because when I started my journey, I looked for someone help me, but I didn't get any help from someone. After that, I took a decision. It's my dream. I have to take my responsibility. That's why I'm trying to understand you how you need to separate yourself, or you need to actually take your responsibility. You need to take your own responsibility. So dear brothers and sisters, today in this video, I try to share my own experience. So if you really like my video, please let me know. Some brothers said to me, brothers, if you speak slowly, it will be better. It will be better for actually to understand your words. So that's why today in this video I try to speak slowly. So if you like my video, please let me know, and please write your comment. What type of video do you want to watch? Please let me know. See you some another video. All the best.